attracted to things that'll bring you drama. Overseas, yeah, they're trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA. The big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips, and the KKK. But if you only got love for your own race, then you only leave in space to discriminate. And to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate. And that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love to just set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all. People killing, people dying, children hurt, you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? And would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance.